Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. So, we'll start with class 6, subject social science. We'll start with geography, chapter 4, that is map. This is the third video of this chapter. So, in our previous video, we discussed about what is a map and some advantages of a map. Then we discussed about the essential features of a map like title, map scale, direction, conventional symbol, map key. Then we discussed about the large scale and small scale map. Then we discussed about the direction, the 4 cardinal direction and 4 main intermediate directions. Then we discussed about the type of map, physical map, political map, thematic map and tourist map. So today we are going to discuss about sketch, then plan. So what is a sketch? Look at this picture. A sketch showing the layout of colony and direction to reach the house. So how will you guide your friend to reach your house without losing her way? So you could create a rough drawing to show the way to your house along with some important landmarks and names of the important street. Arrows can also be drawn to show the way to be followed. Distance and direction are not represented accurately and detailed drawings are not shown. So basically what is a sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing based on mainly on memory and observation and is not to scale. So next we talk about plan. Look at this, a plan showing the layout of a school. So what is a plan? A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area on a large scale. It is based on actual measurement taken on the ground. A plan is more suitable for showing rooms and buildings. If we want to know the length and breadth of a room, it cannot be visualized on a map. We need to prepare a drawing called plan. A plan of a park showing its location, direction, arrangement of various features inside, or the housing plan of a colony showing arrangement of houses, lanes, by-lanes, park and other landmarks are a few examples. So look at this figure. You can see the plan of a school. Detailed plans of building are made by architects. A map, sketch and plan are different from each other in several ways. They are used for specific purpose. So there is a question regarding your home assignment. First is differentiate between a map and a plan. Then second is what are the main difference between sketch and plan. These two questions are long questions. So answer in brief and it's compulsory to all. Thank you.